Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Reading po ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Well, take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, kung gusto mo, pwede ka namang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader. Ayan, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay? Ako, pag nag-open na lang po ako sa personal reading, sabi na lang din po ako. Sa ngayon, medyo hindi pa po kasi ako open. Anyway, pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Any comments, sobrang ma-appreciate ko yan. Nagpapakita yan ng malaking suporta sa akin, pagmamahal. So, sana mag-comment kayo. Basta positive lang, guys. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Okay, main energy, you do have here the Hanged Man and the Two of Cups. Okay, Virgo. The World is here, Six of Wands. Well, this is love reading, no? By the way, some of you, ang dami nakakapansin sa'yo ngayon. Like maybe pagdating sa love, hindi ka, I feel like you're nagpipigil. And with the Two of Cups, maybe you are in a relationship, but nakikita natin yung pagpipigil mo regarding something. Maybe may mga bagay ka pinipigilan sabihin, gawain. Or maybe pagdating sa, if you're single, ayun, pwedeng hindi ka naman nagmamadali pagdating sa love. Pero some of you single pero waiting kind of energy, pwedeng may mga tao ka pa rin hinihintay sa buhay mo. Not necessarily love eh. Pwedeng may mga bagay ka lang munang hinihintay na mangyari ngayon sa buhay mo ngayon. Yung iba tao, person, naghihintay ka sa particular person. Pero yung iba, maybe naghihintay ka sa specific person or yung iba sa specific thing na mangyari muna sa buhay mo bago ka makipag-commit if you're single. Pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect mo? The Sun, the Moon, and the High Priestess. Wow. This could be the one. Like, mararamdaman mo yung the Sun and Moon, it feels like a twin flame connection. It's a yin and yang. High Priestess, ayan, may spiritual connection sa inyo ng taong to. Two of Swords. Maybe some kind of decision ang iniisip or inihintay niya. Anong emotion nyo sa isa't isa ng taong to? Napapansin sa akin yung word na French fries. So might be bago ka nanood sa akin, may mga pinanood kang video that has something to do with French fries. Yung pagkain ng French fries. Or maybe you're eating French fries right now. This could be your reading. Page of Cups, Eight of Wands. Clarify this. Seven of Cups. Yeah, you are really in love. And maybe there's someone here na you are following or lagi mong tinitignan. Like, kung may connection kayo, pwedeng natutuwa ka or gusto mo pag nakikita mo siyang nag-online or nakikita mo siyang nag-message sa'yo. Like, there's a lot of thrill here. Like, you're happy pag nakikita mo itong taong ito. So, nagbibigay ng excitement. The Lovers is here. Puro major arcana yung nalabas sa side ng person na ito. Wheel of Fortune, Three of Wands. Yeah, I can see na itong person na ito nagkakaroon ng changes or may mga bagay siyang gustong ayusin sa buhay niya ngayon. I feel like yung mga bagay na hindi niya nakikitang nakakabuti para sa kanya, pwedeng some sort of pag-alis ng, pwedeng may kinalaman sa health or may kinalaman sa, like maybe, ito hindi to nakakatulong sa akin, tatanggalin ko to bisyo, pwedeng ganon. The I'm seeing the number 6, I don't know, pwedeng, and meron tayong ascending number dito. Wait. Nakikita ko kasi 6 eh. Yeah, especially 9 ito. But when you turn this around, it's number 6. Pero dito sa 3 of Wands, talaga ang nakikita kong number sa akin is 6. So, tapos nagpakita sa akin yung 7 and 8. So, it's like an ascending number, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so ayun. The Lovers is also Roman numeral number 6. Some of you, there's this growth sa connection sa iyo at sa person na ito. May nag-grow sa inyo. And big change is about to take place na. Maybe in the past, hindi mo masyadong pinapansin tong person na to, but now napapansin mo siya. Pero maybe hindi ka nga nagmamadali or may pagpipigil sa'yo. In the near future, you do have here the 2 of Wands, the 4 of Cups, the 8 of Cups. Four of Swords, 6 of Wands, and the Empress. Well, 4 of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Well, actually, may tatlong 4 na tayo dito. 4, 4, 4. The 4 of Swords, the 4 of Cups, and the 4 of Wands. So, that's an angel number for you. 8 of Cups. Well, I feel like may mga bagay kang marirealize in the near future. Ito mga bagay na itong magiging dahilan para hindi ka maging masaya. Like the reason I might be, akala mo makikita mo sa mga bagay na meron ka na yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, pero marirealize mo hindi pala. Soon enough, like reality check, marirealize mo na saglit lang pala yung happiness sa bagay na ito. Parang ganun. And may mga pagsisisi. 8 of Cups, I feel like in the future, magiging maraming dahilan para hindi mo ma-release or masabi kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari or maybe emotions mo with regards to this person. I mean, I don't know if you're dealing with someone who is active sa social media or marami siyang like fans, maybe someone who is popular, or kung hindi man, maybe marami siyang, or maybe yung kanyang business or career is nasa social media. So I am seeing this person gaining a lot of followers, gaining a lot of maybe subscribers, or kung meron din siyang business sa online, so maybe mas magiging matunog itong person na to sa usaping online. But anyway, yeah. And I mean, both of you is wala tayong nakikitang actions pagdating sa connection ninyo. But rather, maybe yung person ito is working, the Empress is showing to me as someone na mas pinahalagahan niya yung kanyang sarili, yung kanyang itsura in the near future, yung kanyang maybe friends or followers in the future. So, nandun yung focus niya. But you're having a lot of realization. What is the advice here for Virgo? Well, the advice for you is the Knight of Pentacles. What's with the Knight of Pentacles? Judgment is here. Eight of Pentacles. Well, I feel like some of you, huwag ka mahiya. Diba? I mean, maybe there are things worth risking, kasi Five of Wands, it's like you taking the risk, you go, parang ganon, make changes here. Huwag mo ikahiya yung mga meron ka or kung ano yung mga gustong mailagay sa reality. The Chariot, kailangan mong gawa ng action yan. So that is the advice for you. Huwag ka mahiya. Especially with the Judgment, kung alam mo na yung totoo or alam mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo. Diba? And, like, honestly, I'm seeing you having a connection wherein ikaw ay nagiging plastic, you're not being honest for who you are, what you want. Yun nga, the advice for you is be real sa iyong sarili. Ano ba yung gusto mong ma-manifest sa buhay mo? Maybe you need to take actions pagdating doon. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.